Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can verify your site on WordPress using HTML from the Google Search Console. So let's get right into it. Now, to verify your site, the first thing you're going to need is the Google Site Kit, which I do recommend you install. So just go over into the plugin marketplace, search for the Site Kit, which looks like this. And it should be the first option. There we go. Just install this if you have the business plan or higher, which I don't. So I'm going to have to use additional help with this tutorial. But yeah, once you install this, that should be good. And you can go over and start actually verifying your site. Now, to verify it, what you need to do is go and verify with an HTML tag by adding a property through the Google Search Console. Once you log in, then select URL prefix as the method, and then you're going to need to add your URL for your site. Just enter HTTPS and then your site URL, but without the 3 W's, and then click continue. Once you do that, then you need to click on verify ownership, and for this you can download the HTML file, which you can upload to your site using an FTP client under the WP-content file. So I'm not going to show you that since that's a bit more complicated. I do not have the way to enter that. I don't have an FTP client. However, what you can do is just select the HTML tag, and then you'll get this pop-up, select copy with this meta tag, which you do need to add in between the head and body section. Then after you do that, you just need to open up WordPress, go into Tools, Marketing, or Jetpack Settings if you're using WordPress admin, and then click on traffic, then go into site verification services and locate the Google box, paste your tag over in here and click save settings. Once that's done, you just need to go back over into the search console, click verify, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.